Hi, my name is Adeep and I am a student of Kai Hope CBSE batch class 10th. Enunciating academics, the staff here is very experienced, cheerful and passionate about teaching. I feel like Kai Hope is paramount to coaching. The staff here organizes doubt clearing sessions frequently to help students understand the concepts better. And I recommend everyone to join Kai Hope CBSE for class 9th and 10th. Thank you.
I am Aina, a student of Kai Hope Class 10 CBSE batch. Kai Hope CBSE provides best CBSE faculty that enrich us with immense knowledge regarding academics and other upcoming competitive exams.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Arman Fazli and I am student of Kai Hope Class 10 CBSE batch. I have chosen Kai Hope institution because teachers here are very experienced, cheerful and passionate about teaching. I recommend that students should join Kai Hope, this institution, because here they are free to learn and clear all their doubts and concepts. Thank you.